Come test drive the 2010 GL Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, front and rear floor mats, 4-wheel ABS, cruise control, anti-theft security system, rear defroster, child safety rear door locks, heated front seats, side airbag system, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.